Invideo AI, the cost is about $120 per month. Invideo AI costs about $100 for the standard plan and $377 for the Pro plan. Sora AI also costs about $200 per month. But in this video, we are going to use Jupyter AI to create a very good video by simply adding B-roll to your videos. Just click on the link to access the official platform of Jupyter AI. To get started, click on Get Started for free. As you can see, you can edit your video with AI. You're going to upload your video to automatically generate B-roll, animated subtitles, and more. To upload, just click on the Upload button over here to upload all your files. You'll be directed to the official page. From here, click on Create New to see the features, including the audiogram feature. With the audiogram, you simply upload your audio file and the AI will automatically add videos or B-rolls based on the type of audio. So let's go to the AI video feature after uploading. As you can see, this is the script over here on the left side, and on the right side is the talking head video. Let's play it and see how raw the video is.
Surrounded by people who like their job and spent all day complaining about it while doing nothing to change their situation, and I too was one of those people.
We're going to add B-roll footage according to the script. This is the raw video. To add your B-roll, make sure you highlight the section where you want the B-roll to appear. For example, this section over here. From this menu, you can generate an image, generate a video, search the web for an image, use a GIF, upload an image or video, or generate a text overlay. Let's go to Generate Video, and as you can see, it is generating our video for us. This will replace the highlighted words. Once generated, the video will be uploaded so that whenever a specific word or phrase is mentioned, the highlighted footage will automatically appear in the video. Now, let's go ahead and do the same thing for the other sentences. Just highlight them and generate the video. The AI will automatically add the video to the talking head footage.
Every single person that I had a conversation with that night had their own thing going on. One owned a jewelry company, one was a producer, one had a podcast, another had their own coffee shop, one had a tech startup. It was like a new world.
If you don't like a particular visual, you can just click on it and switch to another B-roll. You can search for a different clip and see a variety of AI-generated videos to replace the one currently in use. You'll see different kinds of footage that show up based on the highlighted text. Just select one. For example, I'm going to select this one over here, and it's going to replace the old one that was originally generated. And there you have it. You can see that it has been replaced with the new video I selected. Now let's move on to the subtitles. You can choose to change the color of the subtitles. First, let's change the font. You can select from different font styles based on your preference. When it comes to style, you can choose closed captions or remove captions entirely. You can also adjust the font size, reducing or increasing it, and modify the position of the subtitles. If you slide it to the left, it moves down, and if you slide it to the right, it moves up. Let's place it at the bottom of the screen. Now let's move on to animations. You can add different types of animations to your subtitles. Next, let's check out the visual settings. In the Dimensions section, you can select Portrait Mode for TikTok or YouTube Shorts and Square. After that, you need to export your work. For just $10, you can get the starter plan with all the features. Don't forget to use Berkhoff Ericsson 10 at checkout for 10% off lifetime. Link in the description down below.